Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Samarthika and it means a lot to me if you spare a second and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for notification. So before starting the video, I just want to thank you all for your love and support, guys. Like we are 100 subscribers. No, it's 101. And I just want to thank each one of you for your love and support, and many more to come. Yeah, hopefully many more to come. And keep showering your love on me, and I promise you guys to post those genuine videos to you. And thank you for your love and support. Like I have uploaded only 5 video and it's 101 subscriber. It's very special to me, guys. By the way, 101 is very lucky number. So, and you guys are very lucky to me also. So thank you. Coming to the video, guys, I was talking to my cousin yesterday and she told me that you use so much product in your video, but what about them if someone don't have any products or someone can't afford those products, like eyeshadow palette or blush or anything. So she asked me that is there any other way that we can do our makeup without using too much product. And I took it as a challenge, like why not, we can do our makeup without using too much product. So today's video is all about that. Without using too much more makeup product, I am going to do whole makeup look. Like you can see the makeup look. So this is the look for today, guys, and I did it without using too much makeup. And you know what was the key product of this look? It was a lipstick. Yeah, I just used this product for all over my makeup almost. So without talking a lot, let's get into the video. So before starting the makeup, priming your face is very necessary. I am using Blue Heaven primer to prime my face. Once I am done with the primer, I am going to use a BB cream. So I am using a Oriflame BB cream. You can use any BB cream which is available to you. Now I am using a beauty blender just to blend my foundation. Once I am done with my BB cream, now it's time to conceal my skin. And here is the tip: if you don't have concealer, you can mix whitening cream, any whitening cream, to your BB cream or your foundation. It will little decrease the shade, and it will work as a concealer. Like look, I am showing you. So for the whitening cream, I am using Fair and Lovely. It's a most common whitening cream. All you need to do this, just blend them together. Like this, you can see it is giving a very light shade and it will work as a concealer. So if you don't have concealer, don't worry, just mix your BB cream with any whitening cream and it will work as a concealer. And it's done. Now coming to my eye makeup, and I'm not going to use any eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to use this lipstick as my blush, as my eyeshadow, and the lipstick, of course. All you need to do is just apply this lipstick at the outer corners of your eyelid, and don't apply it on the inner corners. Apply it on the outer corners and blend it towards the inner corner. It will give you a 3D look. Like it's a basic structure of eye makeup. All the dark shades are applied outer corners of the eyelid, not towards the inner corner. So always apply the darker shade on the outer corners of your eyelid and then blend it towards the inner corner. Look, I have applied this. Now I am taking a brush just to blend it towards the inner corner. You can see the outer eyelids are darker and the inner eyelids contains a lighter shade, which is amazing. The same thing I am going to do with this eyes. Before that, I am going to apply a liner just to add definition to my eye makeup. I am going to apply a liner. So I am using a Blue Heaven eyeliner. I am going to apply a very thin layer of eyeliner so that my eyeshadow is very much visible. And that's it, guys. Now it's time to add definition to my lashes. I am using a Blue Heaven mascara. It's one of my very favorite mascara. Again, here is the tip for you guys. Like, if you don't have any eyebrow product like any eyebrow pencil or any eyebrow mascara, so you can go with the normal mascara. You can just apply it, like you can apply it very easily. Wait, I'll show you guys how I do it. You can just go with this mascara. So you can see the difference between both of these eyebrows. Like here I have applied the mascara and you can see the eyebrow is settled now, and this eyebrow is little messy, and that's it. All you need to apply just a mascara, and that's it, guys. You don't need to apply many products on your eyebrow. That's it. Okay, the same thing I'm going to do with my this eyes, and I will be right back to you guys. So I'm done with my eye makeup now. It's time to blush my cheeks. And again I'm using the same lipstick just to blush my cheeks. Sorry. When you are applying blush, always smile. Now all you need to just blend it. I'm looking like a joker. This is the structure of applying blush, like this. L, totally L shape. Now, here is the tip. If you don't have contour or anything, you can use a deep brown lipstick to contour your face. Now coming to the lipstick, I am using the same lipstick for my lips also. And once you are done with the whole makeup, it's time to lock the makeup. So I am using a Lakme compact powder. You can use any compact powder. And always remember that apply your powder after applying your blush, so that if you have applied a dark blush or anything very much on your face, it may hide and all your face will look settled down. That's it. Hope you guys liked the video and hope this makeup look helpful for you guys. Let me know your reviews on the comment section below. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.